What's going on today? Squirrels? Is it a squirrel day? No, it's not a squirrel day.
Dog.
No, go ahead.
All right. I'm Pot Roast.
I'm Benjamin.
We're back alley bastards.
So it's Wednesday. I don't know what day it is, number-wise.
21st, I think.
21st of October, 22nd, who knows? And I'm burning up vacation days because I've got all this vacation time and nowhere to go. So I went to the thrift store and I have found what I consider to be the perfect radio for the battle van. Get in here and take a look at it. There I am. What do you think?
You don't get run over.
Maybe. Man is in a hurry. I think he's gonna.
Radio Shack, does it work?
Yeah, it works.
Victoria's Radio Shack.
That guy's gonna turn around and park here.
That guy.
Yeah. So I think we were going to cut the dash out, and I don't see much of a reason for that. And that's a lot of work just for nothing. I was thinking, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that just pops off. We take
Well, that's where the airbag is.
yeah, but we could take that out.
All right.
And just stick it inside there.
We need to get the antenna rigged up. So we've decided to pull this radio apart and see if it will work on 12 volts because it's set up for 9, but it's AC. It shouldn't really matter so much. DC, AC, DC, whatever it takes. I had it working at the thrift store on 120 AC, so I know it works. So we'll hack in here, hook it up to the jumping machine that's right there, and hopefully not electrocute ourselves.
All right, so we got battery pack opened up. We're connecting the 12 volt positive to this side, the negative on this side. You got it connected?
Mm-hmm. Made for. Go ahead and do it.
All right, I just turned the power on to the power pack. Walk over here. And
Whoa. Hey.
you're good.
You don't want these things to touch because that is a grounded system. See what I'm saying? Yeah,
fine.
well, we can short it out. No, not fine. So, see if I can grab that guy. If the sparks go flying higher and higher. Got it?
Got it. All right. And then we give it the old push button here.
It works.
It works.
So we've reached the command decision. We're going to cut out this center bar here. This one right here. And so that will allow us to bring our cell phone charger holder thing up. We'll have to screw it in down lower to the doghouse, but it'll sit right about there. And we'll have this wonderful radio kind of sitting down here. And we have one other problem, I think. No, we should be able to reach the antenna cord.
The antenna cord, we'll have to strip it.
Yeah, we'll have to strip it, and I'm not sure
It'll reach perfectly.
which one it should go to. We'll figure that out.
So let's hack this and screw this thing in place.
Remember, safety first. Get your safety goggles on or squint.
I'm squinting.
Plenty of extra room in here now without
What?
unnecessary. Oh, it stinks. It smells like burned plastic.
Yeah, I mean, that's what happens when you
I
burn.
wonder if we can mount that up higher, like against the.
There's no reason you can't put it right there.
No, I meant. Much easier. Put another one in to hold it.
Fiberglass dog housing.
Put the other one in here. Installed. Nice and sturdy.
You can still get to the chargers. That's all that matters.
Yep. We got our chargers.
You hook it on the bottom first.
Looking on the bottom. Is there a certain way this thing went on? Yes. I'll unlock that. There we go. So we know we have power in this top one here.
Black. Ah, which we thought were speaker wires.
That should be it.
Everything's painted.
No, that's it.
That's it. Okay, now do it again with the auxiliary.
Yeah, the yellow's live. So somehow or other, we screwed up.
Imagine that.
We cut this thing and had it rigged up to work and got it all in there. Found a positive and negative that were correctly rigged to the ignition. Wired it all in. Even had the antenna on it. I was hoping to hear Radio Moscow, and doesn't work now. It's possible that 12 volt just blew it out. It was too much for it. It's possible that
Wow, it's only burnt.
that some of those wires you cut there, that we cut.
Oh, that's all the the AC.
That's all AC. Right. Alright, well, so we screwed up. I like these long-range weather radio things. I have one here in my garage. I use, can't play it now because we'll break the terms of service, but I have that thing always playing. So, that's where we are. Oops. I like this one. Damn it!
Yeah, this is more post-apocalyptic-y.
No, that one is, because it's a Radio Shack one.
That doesn't mean anything. This one here, beaten up, spray painted, that would be post-apocalyptic. There. And it's got a CD player and tape player. So much better.
Wow.
You can listen to some Johnny Cash anytime we want.
Now how are we going to do this?
This one takes 8.
So that'd be 12.
12, yep.
So this one should work. It's on 12 volt DC. Now, before we do anything stupid,
Yeah, longer screwdriver.
before we do anything real stupid, let's test it out
We
here.
don't do anything stupid.
Go down to the side also, and then up to that. So we got a big giant.
You hooked. You're on.
Yeah. Let's not cross them.
Cross the streams.
Bad to cross them. Do we have... Ready?
Yep, turn on. We have power.
All right. All right.
So, we got the radio installed. Now we're just trying to figure out speaker alignment.
Oh, you turned it off.
Yeah, I turned it down. So we got one speaker back here. You got the other speaker over there. We're going to put it on top of the wheel wells. So Benjamin is currently wiring up the speaker wires to additional speaker wires to run them all the way back here. Get some yoga mat to stuff behind it.
Yeah, I threw away the yoga mat. You're never gonna let me live that down.
No, I'm not. Because you throw away stuff we need.
I don't need it. It just sits here for years, and then as soon as I throw it away, oh, we need that.
Yeah, see? That's what happens when you throw stuff out. You gotta be a pack rat like me.
The problem is, it's my garage. So we have the radio boombox pretty much installed. It's just kind of wedged in there with some purple straps or pink straps. Got the speakers in back. And it's a 80s special.
Oh, I turned the engine on. I was like, what?
We got this rigged up on an
We
ignition.
It works.
It works. And now we can cruise down the road in style. Yay. I like the other radio better. And what else? We were talking about getting that little go-kart motor started, but I guess we can still try and do that. Got a little go-kart, well, a big go-kart motor. Pulled it out of a abandoned house, I don't know, a year ago, 2 years ago?
At least a year ago.
Yeah, so it's a cold, wet, rainy day here in the Gateway City, and what else are you going to do? I am burning vacation because I have too much and there's nowhere to go thanks to the coronavirus.
So in conclusion, we got the radio in, which is great. It's working. Benjamin took off on me to go to the bins to see if he can find a yoga mat that we can cut up and put in the behind the speakers to keep them from rattling. But it's all secured in and ready to go. Still can't get the megaphone to work. Tried it with this radio, so I don't know, maybe it's a dead megaphone and I just got to replace it. It was free. Who cares? That's the nice thing about always using, stuff that we get for free or super cheap. I think that radio cost, or the original radio cost maybe 50 cents. Don't worry about it. Not out anything. So talk to you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys are looking for anything special to do with the van or anything else. We got a big motor. It's getting ready to tune up, and we'll see what we can do with it. So keep watching for videos, and we'll see where we can go. You guys have a great day. Peace.